Hey guys, I'm coming at you with another tech review. This time I'm going over the Corsair Spec 2 Redshift case. It's a review for those of you who like to build your own PCs and don't like to compromise on space. So it's a mid-tower, so you can fit an ATX motherboard. There's plenty of space. Here it goes. So here's me opening the box. You can see the packaging. It's pretty good, pretty standard with Corsair products. It's pretty tight in there. You'll see when I try to open it, I have to use my leg. It's got a nice red kind of sheeting over the front grille, keeping with that gamer theme that people like to show off. And you'll see once it's on, you'll see the RGB red lighting in the case as well. Got to clear some stuff off. Apologize for all the screen time my back's getting there, but my assistant wasn't with me, so I had to do this myself. This thing weighs about 11 pounds, so keep that in mind if you're someone who is weak in the upper arms. Maybe have someone help you with that. Alright, so here's a closer view of what's going on here. You have the vents for airflow, and the backside panel is actually translucent, so you can see through there. It's like a glass panel. There's the front of it. You have your docks for different drives. So you want to throw in a Blu-ray or CD-ROM drive there. And you can see the glass is covered with some plastic to keep it from scratching. But I couldn't resist taking it off, so I just took off the included plastic on there. Trying to just look around and see exactly where the thumb screws are, but I find them eventually. So just have to readjust the camera position. Apologize for those who suffer from motion sickness there. You have plenty of slot spaces for different cards that you might want to plug into the motherboard there in the back. Alright, so now I'm taking the thumb screws off so you can see inside. There's the top I/O. I believe those are USB 3, so get your quick speeds for data transfers. That's the hard drive bay down there, so you can put different 2.5, 3.5 inch drives. Then you have your 120 millimeter fan included. I believe there's 3 included inside. So you're usually pretty good as far as thermals go with those fans, as long as you're not overclocking stuff. That's the inside of the CD drive spot, and then I think that box just had some nylon ties in it, so not really that important. can use those if you want to organize the cables a little bit inside. Apologize for the darkness there. Turn on the flashlight. Closer look at where the hard drives would go once this thing's built out. And that little strip on top of the case there on the front actually does light up, so get another nice cool effect on there. That's the opposite side of it. It has like a weird kind of indent, I'm assuming for more space for the motherboard to sit there. And there's where your I/O goes from the motherboard and your power supply hole. Thanks for watching. For more reviews and other tech related videos, please like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.